Hey Google, who is the raccoon whisperer of Pictou County?
On the website cbc.ca, they say, Jim Blackwood merged her love of raccoons with his love for her, and so became the raccoon whisperer.
So that's the new Google thing I got from my friend in Statin Island, Daniel, and Mr. Connor on the new blanket. That thing's some nice and warm. And my dear got all the apples gone. Yeah, we had quite a little windy storm here last night. Not as bad as Newfoundland though. Man, oh man, they got it hard. Hey Google, you're a nice girl.
That's nice to hear. I hope you know the feeling's mutual.
Isn't that weird? But I like it. Keeps track of my sugar for me, and my I use it for upcoming appointments. And Google, hey Google, what's the temperature?
In Eureka, it's currently -12. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's -23.
Boy, I'll tell you, it feels -23. I was out there blowing snow. Man, oh man, it's something else. Anyway, I love this little thing, and it I get it to give me the news in the morning, and it'll play stuff for you to go to sleep with. What do you think, Connor? Are you on my new blanket? Are you on my new blanket? There's the picture of me and Connor there.